to Gordon Guitar. We have a great song here from RUSS. We love RUSS here in Gordon Guitar. This one is called Gimme Love. So this has this cool lick to it, this melody that goes round and round through the entire song, but you can also switch it up with some chords, 3 chords, and play a simple strumming pattern. So it's up to you, play a little bit back and forth with it. Let's take a look at this one. So we'll start with the capo on second to have the high notes here, the easiest grips and chords possible. So capo on the second fret here, and then with that we're gonna look at the 3 chords. So the first one will be the F major 7. Alright, so that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st on B, and open E. The next chord is the A minor 7. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So F major, A minor, and G. Okay, we're gonna look at the picking first. And we're going to do that chord by chord, and perhaps I didn't mention, but the chord progression will be in the order we just learned the chords. So F major, A minor, and G. That's what's going round and round through the entire song here. So F major first. The parts with the picking here sounds like this. Alright, so you basically hold the chord as it is. You're going to play 3rd on D together with 1st B, and then open B, and then 2nd G. Then you have to add the 3rd fret on B string. I do that with my little pinky. So this note here, 3rd on B, then open E, then 1st B, 2nd G, again 3rd on B, and open E. So slowly. Alright, then we are on the A minor 7. That part sounds like this. Alright, so that is open A together with 1st B, then open B, open G, 3rd on B, open E, 1st on B, open G, open B, and 1st B. So slowly it goes like this. When I do the first pick there, on the B string, the 1st B string, I just snap it off, like pull off to get the open B. So I don't pick this B string 2 times with my right picking hand. I just, with my left finger here, this left index finger on the fretboard, I just release it like that. So I pull off that. In the same way I did on the F major. Perhaps I didn't mention that. So the beginning there. I do the same with A minor to save some time and it goes a little bit more smoothly. So that is the A minor with tempo. Sounds like this. So far we learned F major and A minor, and now let's go over to G. The G here we'll play for 2 times. And it's almost the same, only the difference here will be in the end, how the last note ends, all right? So it starts like this, the G. again. Alright, so just the ending there is different from the second and first round. So it starts here with 3rd fret on E string in the bass. You're gonna pick that together with 1st on B, and then open B. I do the same here, the same technique. I pull off from the 1st B here to open. Alright, and then you continue with open G, and then comes open B, 1st B, and open B. I use the same techniques here when I pick the open G here, also open B. I pick that one only once, and then I hammer on the 1st B, and then I pull off to get the open B back again. So. Alright, like that. And then you continue with 2nd on G and open G. Then we have 2 more notes left here, and these are the notes that differs from the first round to the second round. The last 2 notes in this first round will be open B and 1st B. Alright, so this is the first half, or the first G of this part. So slowly it goes like this. And then you play everything in the same way to start with, except from the last 2 notes. So you start over again on G. And the last 2 notes in the second round will be 3rd on B and open E. And there we have covered the picking here for the song. So, just to repeat this G part here, perhaps it was a little bit hard to understand. I made some stops there. So, to go over the basic first part of the G here was 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with 1st B. Then I pull off to get the open B, then open G. Then I pick the open B, hammer on the 1st B, and pull off the 1st B. And then I go to 2nd G, and then open G, and then we have 2 different endings here. The first ending is open B, 1st B, and the second ending is the 3rd B and open E. Alright, so I'm going to take you through this picking here 1 round slowly, and then 1 round with full standard tempo. Let's go. So there you have it. And now let's take a look at the strumming pattern. We will use, of course, the same chords, F major, A minor, and G. And 1 strumming round for this chords here. We can start with the F major. Will be down, down, up, down, up. It's a pretty common strumming pattern. It goes like this. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. A couple rounds of it, it goes like this. So if you go with the strumming pattern, you will do 2 rounds of F major, 2 rounds of the A minor, and then 4 rounds of G, like this. right, and that's pretty much RUSS Gimme Love. So you can go back and forth and switch like this. Alright, so play a little bit with it, give me love, and yeah, if you love this tutorial, if it was helpful, please give me some love, thumb up here, subscribe, and yeah, play tuned.